take any pointers besides the fact that I changed that clutch if I could. I mean, I could, but it's not worth it to me at this point. I don't know what I'm going to do for brakes. Just either a more legit, bigger Willwood or Stomp Down. I don't know. But these brakes suck.
Just try something different.
I've swapped. This might be the third pad compound I've tried.
How much power is this thing making?
Right now, I don't know. It's on 8 pounds.
Okay, so
normally it's on 16, makes 400. So on 8, I don't know. Maybe 250. It's probably gonna feel a bit different, obviously. Never gonna need to go into second.
No? Okay.
Because second will blow the tires. You'll probably be faster staying in third.
All right.
Or fourth, you know what I mean?
Can't really do it now.
The second will probably have so much like immediate throttle response, it's gonna just make the car all fucking wild.
Cool. Man, this feels good, dude.
See, that's what, I mean, I'm so used to it doing that. Buy some shit on the way home then. The other thing we know to do, besides the brakes, last time I was out here, Matt could get the handle very well.
Third, no third.
Nope, you're good. I mean, you can go to second. I'm just telling you, it's gonna.
Yeah, I don't need to. I'm so used to it though.
Yeah. Third probably got enough balls to kind of
I think
slide you around. You don't need to be at very high RPM. As long as you're at 4K, it's probably going to be pretty instantaneous.
I agree. Never driven a car this powerful out here.
Well, so that's like at San Diego. I got my faster last night by literally just honestly hanging out in like fourth.
Got it.
Feel like it rotates that much?
No, it feels good. It feels a little bit more than mine.
fucking fun.
too much?
Yes. I mean, I'm obviously a novice.
I think it feels good.
Okay, I'll take your word for it. Matt does too. Matt can tell me I need to shut up and keep driving it.
Yeah.
I think he's right.
Huh?
I said I think he's right. I just really idle hands.
Exactly. I'm gonna do one more lap.
Okay.
Slower because of him, but fuck it.
Just for cooling purposes.
Okay.
And then after X amount of track days, I realized the fuel pressure, like the lock nut, was coming loose. So I said, oh fuck, I obviously need to tighten that. So when I went to go tighten it, I kind of bumped the fuel pressure up a bit. I was like, fuck, what was I at? I don't remember. So it's a little richer. So if you hit the limiter and swap shift, if you watch, it'll peg like 10 flat. So it breaks up for a split second, but
it's not bad.
No.
I just feel like, you know, I'm not familiar with the car.
Yeah, I mean, I'm open for all. That's why I let Matt drive it too. I don't know any different.
Why? I feel like I'm fighting the steering wheel. It can't be your tires, no? Like it feels hard to turn your steering rack.
So I towed the front in.
Okay.
This could be. It's definitely counter.
Oh, and you have caster too, right?
I do. So I gave it. It's got 4 degrees of caster.
Okay.
Stock is 4 is on the limit of the max.
Yes.
And then most people, I guess, would leave tow at 0.
Yes.
Or tow out to help turn in. But I have a really bad problem of letting the car just oversteer and come around.
Got it.
So I actually towed it in to make the steering worse.
Yes.
So I could, I guess my shitty steering, I'd rather it feel bad so I don't accidentally overturn it.
Yes.
I know it's counterproductive, but for me, it's made driving a little bit easier.
Got it. You know, it's just weird for me at first, but it's tough. But you know, it's a lot of that power too. Like I'm not used to that shit at all. It feels awesome though, dude.
Well, so if you can imagine, that's 8 pounds, right?
No kidding.
So like on 16, when I was trying, I can't drive it.
There's no way.
No, it's stupid.
And the track is so tight and technical.
Yeah.
Like you make up ground here, but everywhere else.
Oh yeah.
After I started getting a little more confident, I started doing a little faster. I noticed.
Yeah. Well, the other thing is, like temp's only at 186. Like that's coolant. The middle one's oil, and the bottom's intake. So, I mean, at this horsepower level too, like temps are, you know, super kosher.
Yeah.
The brakes drive me up the wall.
They don't feel as strong, I feel like, as they could be.
No.
So I was using a lot of like transmission braking.
Yeah, so that's what Matt was doing too. So
yes.
I'm not, again, I've only tracked, this could be the end of my one season at Sandy. And I've gotten, Sandy, I can't count how many laps, you know what I mean now?
That's good.
I've probably got like 60 or 70 laps at least, you know, so I'm a little more, I know how shitty the brakes are, and I know where I can kind of get away with it.
Absolutely.
I'm definitely sure I can cut 5 seconds off at Sandia if I have brakes.
Yeah.
But my confidence level is...
It's not where it needs to be yet.
No, and it's always been brakes. And
I'm parking here or over here?
That's fine, you can park
Okay,
out.
cool. Dude, this thing's awesome.
Is it actually like somewhat handy, I guess? I mean, see, I don't like the rear sliding at all. I mean, that's just me maybe, but...
The rear, you don't like how much it turns?
No, does it turn a lot to you then, really?
No,
or?
not for me.
Okay.
My car kind of feels similar to yours.
Okay.
If you had less, then that feels like my white track car, the Dragon.
Okay, but you liked it? I mean, everyone I know...
I got used to it because when I put the LSD on, like, even though it's like pulling out, like the car would just pull like out of corner. I would actually take wider corners instead of trying to come in and apex them.
Okay.
Because our car would just pull.
Because everybody pretty much puts less camber in the rear.
Yeah.
And they tow the rear out so the fucking car rotates.
Yeah.
This, I've got 0.1 tow out to help it a little bit, and the camber's only at, like I was telling Andrew, I want to go like 3.5 negative in the back.
You should.
Just so it doesn't,
So
I feel like it has enough power to pull itself out of corners.
It really digs in there too.
That's what I'd like it to do.
I don't know, it felt good.
And the wing's at 0. So I mean, I don't know if I raked it down a little bit more, if it would actually, I mean, in theory, it'd help the rear bite a bit more.
Yeah.
Does it need it? I don't know.